Jefferson Airplane received the 2,737th star located at 6754 Hollywood Boulevard in front of the Musicians Institute. Again, Jefferson Airplane received the 2,737th star located at 6752 Hollywood Boulevard.
Jefferson Airplane received the 2037 star located at 6752 Hollywood Boulevard. They received the 2737 star at 6752 Hollywood Boulevard, Jefferson Airplane.
Jefferson Airplane is an American rock band based in San Francisco, California that became the pioneering band of psychedelic rock. Formed in 1965, the group defined the San Francisco sound and was the first band in the Bay Area to achieve international commercial success. The awards is the Grammy Lifetime Achievement Award, Hall of Fame induction in 1996, active until 1996. Origin is San Francisco, California in 1965. Some of their songs included White Rabbit, Somebody to Love, Don't You Want Somebody to Love, Come Back to Me. Members included Grace Slick vocals, Signe Tolley Anderson vocals, Jamar Khalil guitar, Marty Ballin guitar, Paul Cartner guitar, Jack Casati bass guitar, Spencer Dryden drum kit. Jefferson Airplane, an American rock band based in San Francisco, California, became one of the pioneer bands of psychedelic rock. Their genres were psychedelic rock, acid rock, folk rock, garage rock. Spin-offs was a Jefferson Starship and then Starship. Labels was RCA Victor, Grunt, RCA Records, Epic, CBS Records. Past members was Signe Tolley Anderson, Marty Ballin, Bob Harvey, Paul Cartner, and Jamar Cochran. Around 1973, they disbanded, forming a generation of new bands, including Jefferson, Starship, Tuna, and more. In 1989, a short reunion occurred. 1996, the band was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in Cleveland, Ohio, and in 2016, the band earned the Grammy Lifetime Achievement Award. What does Jefferson Airplane mean? Stated as direct reference to the popular counterculture rock band, a Jefferson Airplane is a matchstick broken into a V formation that can be used as an impulse road clip. This allows the user to smoke the very end of a joint without burning their fingers. Jefferson Airplane were headliners at the Monterey Pop Festival in 1967, Woodstock 1969, Alamo Free Concert 1969, and the first Isle of Wight Festival 1968. In England, their 1967 breakout album, Surrealistic Pillow, was one of the most significant recordings of the Summer of Love. Two songs from the album, Somebody to Love and White Rabbit, are among the Rolling Stones' 500 greatest songs of all time. Now, Jefferson Airplane photograph. Now, the origins was San Francisco, California, from psychedelic, acid, folk, and garage rock. They were active from 1965 to 1973, then again in 1989, and then 1996. They were on RCA Victor, RCA, Epic Records, Epic CBS Records. Spin-offs was Jefferson Starship and Starship. All the past members included Signe Tolley Anderson, Marty Ballin, Bob Harvey, Paul Cartner, Jamar Cochran, Jerry Pippins, Skip Spence, Jack Casati, Spencer Dryden, Grace Slick, Joy Covington, Papa Joe Creech, John Barretta, and David Freeberg. The website is jeffersonairplane.com. By October 1966 to February 1970, the lineup of Jefferson Airplane consisted of Muddy Ballin vocals, Paul Cartner guitar vocals, Grace Slick vocals, Jamar Cullen lead guitar vocals, Jack Casati bass, and Spencer Dryden drums. I was inducted into the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame in 1996. Marty Ballin left the band in 1971. After 1972, Jefferson Airplane effectively split into two groups. Cullen and Casati moved onto a full-time of their own band, Hot Tuna, Slick, Cartner, and the remaining members of Jefferson Airplane recruited new members of the regrouped as Jefferson Starship. In 1974, with Marty Ballin eventually joining the Jefferson Airplane, was presented with the Grammy Lifetime Achievement Award in 2016. Now, this was the awards and the presentation ceremony at the 2,737 stars, 6752 Hollywood Boulevard. Now, you know what Hollywood says. She says, for more history on Every Star Tells a Story, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment. Let us know what you think, what you want to see. We will be back for more celebrity homes, celebrity graves, celebrity history, Hollywood history. Hollywood says, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment. Let us know what you think. Subscribe, hit that bell, and leave a comment. Hollywood says.